Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about the combining of multiple learners, that is the model combination schemes. Model combination schemes. Here the multiple base learners, that is the weak learners, they are combined to generate the final output. There are two main approaches. One is multi-expert combination, then multi-stage combination. Multi-expert combination. Here the base learners they work in parallel. There are two types. One is the global approach, the learner fusion. Here all the base learners will generate an output. They use all the outputs for final decision. Some of the examples includes voting and stacking. In a voting based ensemble, each model will make an independent prediction and the final decision will be based on the majority rule, the majority voting or the probability averaging. Stacking involves combining multiple base learners using a meta learner that learns how to best combine their predictions. Number two, the local approach, learner selection. Here, we are using a gating model to select the specific learners. For example, mixture of experts. The steps in mixture of experts includes we input the data to the multiple expert models and the gating network is going to assign a probability score to each expert. The experts will produce the outputs which are weighted by the gating scores. The final decision will be made using a weighted combination of the expert outputs. So here in global approach, we are using all the outputs for the final decision, where in the local approach, we use a gating model to select the specific learners. Multi-stage combination. Here, the base learners are working in serial. The next learner is trained only if the previous one is not accurate. So increasing complexity in learners, for example, cascading. Mathematical representation. Let L base learners exist. Each of the base learner Mj will give a prediction Dj of X. The final prediction is denoted as Y, which is a function of all the predicted values D1, D2, DL, where L is the number of base learners, given pi, where pi is the combining function. How to make a decision in classification? When there are k outputs existing for each learner, we compute yi values. The class with the maximum yi is chosen. So we will be choosing a particular class if it is a maximum of the given yi values, where k represents the outputs for each learner. Multi-expert combination is a parallel approach with global and local methods. Multi-stage combination is a serial approach with the increasing complexity. This is all about the model combination schemes. Thank you.